Hey guys, so up next I'm gonna work on standing up while riding. So from the techniques I've learned off of YouTube, everyone is saying to squeeze your knees together as you're up in the air and elbows up in a square position. I believe head like on top of the handlebars, and for the most part everyone is saying to ride on the balls of your feet on the pegs. So we're gonna try, or I'm gonna try to demonstrate this a few times, going over these little bumps right here. So stick with me and let's see if I can do it. So that was my first time through. I stood up the whole time, but I definitely felt the need to pull on the throttle when I was hitting some of these bumps as I was standing. So if anybody has any tips on how I can refrain from doing that, so that way I don't launch the bike without me attached to it, please leave them in the comments below. Let me try that again.
Pretty good. I mean, I don't know how it felt.
Not good.
Not good?
No, it feels weird.
Did you want to twist the throttle?
Yes.
While going over bumps?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't feel like stable. I don't know.
Right.
I don't know if like my legs aren't strong enough yet, or
yeah.
if it's weird. Let's try it again. That one felt better. So I feel like I'm pulling. Okay, so someone can let me know in the comments if this is right or wrong, but I'm definitely pulling now, like on my left, and like trying to push down on my right, like I don't know, it's weird to explain. I felt like my body position was all right, but again, not sure. I tried to squeeze more, so I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'9", so my knees are like way past the seat. So let me try to show.
Want to stand up?
Let me put the kickstand.
Yeah.
All right, so let me show you guys. Can you hold the bike real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is me standing up straight. This is my knee. So like if I squeeze my knees, it's kind of in this pocket, but I don't, is that right? I mean, okay, so let me try to get on the balls of my feet here. Okay, so this is the balls of my feet. Bending my knees and trying to control. This feels, oh, this feels better. Okay, I don't think I was on the balls of my feet before.
Yeah, it might have been in the center.
I think I was like here.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah,
So
try it out on the balls of your
that
feet.
felt weird. Okay, so let me get to the balls. It just feels weird doing that. Okay, so this is the balls of my feet. So, oh, okay, I feel the difference. Okay, so now that I'm wearing these boots, like my weight, maybe this is wrong though. So the weight is not in the balls of my feet. It's on the heels, but I'm on the balls of my feet. Like I feel like I have more stability.
Yeah, try it out like this.
Doing that. And then this is the position I'm thinking.
Yeah, probably straight. Keep your wrist straighter than that,
Okay,
though.
yes.
I think.
Okay, so straight wrists. Straight wrists. Okay, so this is I think this is the right position.
Maybe.
All right,
yeah.
so I'm gonna...
Yeah. Might try thinking push down instead of pulling back into the handlebar. I don't know. Not that I know.
Yeah. None of us are professionals here.
Yeah.
We're still waiting for my dad to come. He was a professional, but I think he'll be here on Sunday. So hopefully my next video will get real tips. So do not listen to what we're saying. These are not tips. This is just me talking through
As you learn, yeah.
as I'm learning.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so let me try to do that.
Yeah, try it again on the balls of your feet this time.
That was way better. So basically, I made sure I was on the balls of my feet here. Hopefully I don't fall over. So I was on the balls of my feet, but my weight, maybe this is wrong, but for me, my weight wasn't on all of the balls of my feet. It was like almost equal with the heel too. And the reason I could do that is because of these boots. So when I was up, can you hold me real quick?
Mm-hmm.
So when I was up like this, I wasn't like standing on my toes. I had like my weight to the back, and it felt more stable, like I could move more. Because if I'm like this, I feel like I don't have enough weight. But when I'm like this, still on the balls, like I can move around more. Where I'm like this, like I feel weak. So maybe that's wrong, but I don't know. I felt better doing that right now.
Cool.
That's for sure.
Want to do it with a little more speed this time?
To second gear?
No, just more speed in first.
Yeah. All right, let's try it. A lot better for sure. All right, so I'm gonna keep practicing that. Hopefully in my next video I can maybe go to second gear, doing like, that's like not even a bump, but like a tiny little bump, and then hopefully I can do a little bit bigger stuff. So make sure you stay tuned to our next video, subscribe if you're not already, and thank you for all the support.